Hi friends, welcome back. This is Chetna here and today we are going to start with a new chapter. We are going to discuss the chapter and the name of the chapter is The Desert. Now, by the name desert, a barren land comes to your mind, a place where it's very hot and the temperatures are so fluctuating. This is the picture that comes to your mind. I'm pretty sure about that. So today we are going to discuss and I'll make you understand this chapter. We are going to first of all read what the people actually think about a desert. उनको क्या लगता है एक desert कैसा सा होता है? This is what people generally think of a desert. It is an endless stretch of sand. There is no rainfall, therefore no vegetation. Like there is very minimum rainfall in a desert. So the vegetation is also like equal to no vegetation. It's nearly no vegetation. So it is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter. This is the thing that we have about the desert in our mind, right? So coming upon what people who have studied about the desert, what do they tell us about the desert? So they say that it's always, it's like not always a flat land and it may have an oasis. Again, you must be thinking, what's an oasis? So oasis is like a green island. It's like a fertile place where you find water in the middle of a desert where water is found. So जहाँ पे भी water found होगा, वहाँ पे you'll find a few animals over there. In order to quench their thirst, you'll find them there. So this is what the people who've studied, they tell us about the deserts. So now next thing comes that some deserts are totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. So you must have seen like in the pictures of deserts also, आपने ये ऐसे देखा होगा. These are called sand dunes. So these are the mounds that are collected because when the wind blows and the air, heaps of lands are shifted, that's when the sand dunes are formed. So these are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. कभी कहीं पे चले जाते हैं sand dunes and कभी कहीं पे. So this is what you should know about sand dunes in a desert. So now we are going to study about the plants and animals that are found in desert. You must be curious कि desert में अच्छा किस type के plants और animals होते हैं. So the very first one is ship of the desert. Yes, camel is the ship of the desert. Small desert animals, we are going to read about them, and then the desert plants. These are the three things that survive. These are the three creatures that survive in the desert. Okay, so first of all, the ship of the desert. You must know that the ship of the desert is the camel. Yes, right, we've been studying about it like from so long that camel is popularly also known as the ship of the desert. So camels can drink a lot of water at one time. They can go without water for days. Like they can go without drinking, बिना पिए पानी for about days. They can go about days, and the reason is that they sweat very less. Why is it so? We know that they store food in their humps, but it's even scientists are not even sure about where does the water go. Like they're not sure whether they store the waters in the hump or not. But the reason that is found till date is that why do they drink so less water? Like how are they able to retain the water? It's because they sweat very less, and that's how they are able to retain water. Like because of according to the temperature and also adjust to the temperature. This was about the camels, and as a matter of fact, they can drink about, let's say, around 100 liters of water at one time. And one go, they can drink that much of water, and they retain that water. So therefore, they can go without drinking water for many days. Okay, now we are going to talk about small desert animals, the animals that are found in the desert. So you must be wondering that in so much of heat during the daytime, what they do, those animals. So first of all, during the daytime, they burrow themselves underground, okay, during the hot time, and they come out at the night when the temperature is better, so that they can come out and eat something. So what happens is, you must be thinking कि उनको water कैसे मिलता है, जो भी वो animals होते हैं, desert animals होते हैं. So first of all, you'll see that we have two categories of animals. एक ऐसे animals जो animals को खाएंगे और एक ऐसे animals जो कि सिर्फ plants खाएंगे. Okay, so the first one, जो animals दूसरे animals को खा लेंगे, उनको water किस form में मिलेगा? Moisture के form में मिलेगा from the meat that they are eating. Meat के अंदर जो भी moisture होगा, उस form में they'll get water. Now talking about the animals that eat only plants and seeds, what happens to such animals? They will get water in the form of plant juices. जो भी plant के अंदर juices होते हैं, उस form में उनको water मिल जाएगा. So this was about the small desert animals. Now you'll be wondering about desert plants also. Yes, desert plants, commonly we find cactus in desert areas. So desert plants also adapt themselves, just like animals adapt themselves in desert area. So the plants also adapt themselves. So desert plants also adapt themselves. For example, cactus. Cactus plant stores water in their thick stems. Now cactus has roots where it takes water, and thick stems which help it to retain water. Let's read. Their roots are close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains that occasionally fall. जितनी भी थोड़ी बहुत rains आती है वो उससे जल्दी से quickly absorb कर लेते हैं water, and that's how they survive. So this was about 3 of them, that how do they survive: the desert, the shape of the desert, the small animals, and the desert plants. I hope that it is clear to you guys. So we are going to talk about temperature in this slide, which says that temperature in the desert shows high variation because of moisture. So basically what happens is, deserts are important part of nature's green plan. What happens is, जितना भी हमारा अर्थ का सरफेस है उसके ऊपर सन की रेज से हमें जो प्रोटेक्ट करता है वो एक मॉइस्चर की एक लेयर होती है, दैट बेसिकली प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम द हीट ऑफ द सन, बट दैट मॉइस्चर इज एब्सेंट इन द डेजर्ट एरियाज. दैट इज व्हाई द टेम्परेचर फ्लक्चुएट्स अ लॉट in those areas. Okay, so here the writer says that just because they are hot and dry, we should not look upon them as useless part of the earth. So here we are going to talk about the in the whole chapter we have discussed about the beauty of the desert. Like, it's not barren, it's not useless, it also has beauty in it. So that's how our chapter ends here. Now we will be talking about the question answers of this chapter.